Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss LeetCode 695, which is max area island. So let's read the question. You are given an m cross n binary matrix grid. An island. Okay. After that, an island is a group of ones representing land. Means that you will be given a binary matrix in which one will be representing the land. Connected four directionally, horizontal or vertical. You may assume all four edges of the grid are surrounded by water. Means the matrix that you are given, you can assume that it is surrounded by water. Means outside the matrix, it is water only. And the area of island is the number of cells with the value 1 in the island. Means the area of island will be the number of cell with value 1. You have to return maximum area of an island in the group, in the grid. If there is no island, return 0. Means you have to return maximum area of an island in the given matrix. Okay, so let's see the example discuss. Yeah, so this is the given matrix. In this, you can see that these are the island. These are the island. So this is one island. This is another island. This is another island. And this is also an island. This is also an island. And this is also an island. So you have to return the maximum area of an island. Means you can see that there are 6 islands. So you have to return the maximum area of the island. And that is, you can see this island is having the maximum area. So what is that? It is 3, 4, 5, 6. So this island has area of 6. And this island is having area of 4. This island is having area of 5. This is also having 4. This is also having 5. And this island is having 1. And this island is having 6. So maximum is 6. So you have to return the maximum area. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so let's discuss the approach. So in this, we can use DFS. We can use DFS. What we will do, we will iterate this matrix, and wherever it will be 1, we will start DFS from there. And we will go in all the 4 direction of that cell. Okay. And if it will be a water, then we will simply return, 0. So it will return 0. It will also return 0. It will also return 0. Okay, so whatever we got from all the 4 direction, okay, this is also one direction. From here also we will get 0. Okay, whatever we will get from all the 4 direction, we will simply add those and will add 1 for the current cell and return that from the DFS. So for this cell, from all the 4 direction, we got 0 and it is 1. So we'll add 1. So the DFS call for this cell will return 1. We will we will keep a resultant variable and we will keep maximizing that. So whatever we got from the DFS call from this cell, we will store in the resultant variable and we'll move ahead. And after that, we will move to next cell. This is 0, this is 0. Again, we got 1 at this cell. So again, we will start DFS from this cell. So it will make a DFS call in this direction, and in this direction. So from here it will get 0. From this direction it will get 0, and from this direction it will get 0. And from bottom is also a island which is having 1. So again this will do a DFS call to this, means all the 4 directions. So from here it will get 0, from here it will get 0. Okay, so we will also whenever we will visit a cell, we will also mark it as visited. Means what we will do, we will simply mark it as 0, or we can use a -1 also. So anything we can use. So I'm using 0. I'm marking at 0. Okay. So if this cell makes a DFS call, the above cell, it will see a 0 and will return 0 only. So from here also it will get a 0. Now DFS call to this cell. Again, this cell also will make a DFS call in all direction, all the four direction. This is also marked to 0. We have already visited. This also we have visited. We mark it 0, and and we'll check all the four directions. All the four direction. So here it is 1. So from here also we will check all the four directions. All the four direction. And also we'll mark it as 0. Mark it as 0. Okay. So this got 0 from all the four directions, so it is 1. It will return 1. So this cell, which make a DFS call, this next cell, got 1. So it will sum all the value that it got from all the four directions. So it got 0 from here, 1 from here, 0 from here, and 0 from here. So it will return 1, 1 plus 1, the current cell value. So it will return 2. So from here it will get 2. Means this cell, which make a DFS call to this, will get a 2 from this direction. And after that it will add 1 and return to this cell. Okay, so this cell that make a DFS call to this cell will get 3 from bottom and 0 from all other direction. So it will return 3 plus 1, 4. 4. So we will get 4 for the DFS call that we made on this cell. Okay, so we will maximize now our resultant variable. So resultant will be 4. Now we will move in the matrix again. So it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0. This is also 0, this is also 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. We have marked already. Means we have whatever we have visited, we have marked that 0. So that is 0. So again it will start a DFS call from this cell as it is 1. So in the same way, it will make DFS call in all the four directions. This also will make a DFS call in all the four directions. In the same way that we did at the first step. So it is 1, so it will return 1. So it got 0 from all other direction and 1 from below. So it will return 2. It will return 2. So it got 0 from all the direction and 2 from below. So it will return 3. And it got 3 from left and 0 from all other directions. So it will return 3 plus 1, 4. So resultant variable is already 4. So also these all will be marked as 0 because they are visited. In the same way, it will go to this 1 and will iterate all and get the count. So this will return 5. Again, if we made this make DFS call to this cell, it will return 6. In the same way, it will return 5. So we will get maximum 6. So that will be our answer. So this is the logic. So let's see the code. So I have made a recursive function solve, that is a DFS only. So in the beginning, I have added a check if x is lesser than 0 or y goes beyond the matrix, or x goes beyond the matrix, or y is lesser than 0, or my grid value is 0, or my grid value is 0, then I'm returning 0. And if after this, I have marked the grid, the current coordinate that I'm visiting. I have marked it as 0 that I have visited. And after that, I'm making call in the all four direction and storing the result in the top, bottom, left, right. And at the end, I am adding all those and plus 1 for the current cell and returning that. So this is our DFS function. Let's see the main function. So in the main function, I have taken mn, the size of the matrix, and a resultant variable, and started iterating over the matrix. And I'm checking if wherever it is 1, I'm starting DFS call, and whatever I'm getting, I'm maximizing it in my resultant variable. So in my resultant variable, I will have my result. So at the end, I'm returning that. Okay, so let's let's run this code. Yeah, it passing all the given test cases. Let's submit it. Yeah, it passed all the all the test cases. So time complexity for this will be O of n square, as we are iterating the matrix, and in the DFS call also we are going to the cells and marking them. Okay, so that both will be done in the means once the cell is marked 0, then we are not doing DFS from that cell. So the time complexity will be O of n square, and space complexity is O of 1 only, as we haven't used any extra space, but it will take stack space stack space of stack space of O of the length the area of the largest island. So it will take stack space of O of n m, where m is the area of the largest island. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.